Welcome to WordPress. How to find a database name in WordPress. To find the WordPress database name, check wp-config.php file. Go to your WordPress site's root directory, usually public_html, or your domain folder in your web hosting. In case of localhost, if you are using XAMPP, go to XAMPP, htdocs, and then your site's root directory. I have placed this websites in projects folder, then YT, and then WSP1. This is wp-config.php file. Open wp-config.php file in code editor or text editor. Look for this line, define dbname. The value for dbname constant is the name of your WordPress database. You can find this database in phpMyAdmin. Go to phpMyAdmin, then select the database with the name found in wp-config.php to view or manage database. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.